2019 Acura RDX Prototype, Turbocharging and Sportiness, Interior and Exterior. If the first generation of Acura's RDX was the crossover SUV equivalent of a college student amped up, eager to party, daring, its 2013 follow-up had somehow woken up married with a mortgage. Gone was the original RDX's high-strung turbocharged 2.3-liter inline-four engine, its torque-vectoring super-handling all-wheel drive system, and its firm ride. All of that was replaced by an inoffensive crossover with a smooth, effortless V6, a soft suspension setup, and conventional all-wheel drive. Sales shot through the roof and haven't stopped climbing since. Now Acura thinks it's high time for a midlife crisis. Because every new vehicle redesign seemingly must incorporate a size increase, the RDX grows relative to its predecessor. Acura hasn't released all the dimensions for this prototype, let alone the production model, but tells us the crossover's wheelbase is 2.5 inches longer. More exciting than dimensional minutiae is the way the new RDX looks. As the first Acura vehicle designed from the outset around the brand's new pentagonal grille design, the RDX wears it best. Other styling cues picked up from Acura's precision concept from 2016 also work well, including the bold fender bulges, spearlike hood creases, and pointed headlights and tail lights. It all combines to form a shape that is both sporty and upscale. Regardless of how many horses gallop beneath the RDX's hood, they'll be corralled to the pavement via the latest iteration of Acura's super-handling all-wheel drive. Replacing the current all-wheel drive setup that merely shuffles power between the front and rear axles, this system can overdrive the outside rear wheel in a turn to help muscle you through corners under power. Acura also instills the RDX's available electronically adaptive dampers with more sportiness, tying them to a 4-mode selector like that in the NSX supercar. Whereas the previous RDX also had similar dampers, they were tuned for comfort. Here, they can assume comfort, sport and settings. There also is a snow mode, which we assume reins in the powertrain's aggressiveness to maintain traction on slippery surfaces. Now, enjoy the Snapshot.